Hello, I'm Cameron. I'm a software engineer here at EDT, and I'm going to give you a brief tutorial on how to create a Visual Studio project using our EDT libraries. I'm using Visual Studio 2008. There may be slight differences if you're using another version, but the general idea should be the same. So let's get started. Once you have Visual Studio opened, let's navigate to the File menu and select New and Project. When the wizard opens up, we're going to select Win32 Console Application and then enter the name of the application we want. Okay, once you've typed in the name, select OK. When the wizard pops up, we're going to select Next instead of Finish. This is so that we can check the box Empty Project. We check this box so that some of the extra files that Visual Studio likes to add in are not included. And click Finish. So this now the skeleton of our project is created, and you can see that over here in the Solution Explorer. Okay, now that we've got our empty project, we're going to want to add some source files to it. So what I'm going to do is right-click on the name of my project in the Solutions Explorer. In the drop-down, select Add and Existing Item. When the browser window opens up, you want to browse to your file. I'm selecting a file from the EDT PDV directory, but this can be any directory of your choice. And I found my file, sample file. Now I'm going to click on the file to bring it up in the source window. Now that we've added our source file, we want to add our EDT PDV library project so that we can build and link our application to it. To do this, we're going to go up to the File menu and select Add and Existing Projects. Now we're going to navigate to the EDT directory where the projects reside. The EDT driver package and SDK comes with pre-made library projects for Visual Studio, and you'll find them in the projects.vs2008 folder. Here is where we'll find our libpdv VC project. Double-click it to add it. Now if we look over here in our Solutions Explorer, we can see that the libpdv project was added successfully. Now that the library project is added, we're going to want to make it a dependency of our project. To do this, we're going to select our project in the Solution Explorer, right-click, and select Project Dependencies. When the window comes up, we're going to check the box next to libpdv and select OK. Now that the libpdv project is set as a dependency for our project, we'll be able to link to it and build our project with any of the functions in the libpdv library. So the final step will be to add paths to any include files that we might need in our project. To do this, we're going to once again go over to the Solutions Explorer and select our project and right-click. And we're going to go all the way down to Properties. Once the dialog opens up, we're going to select C and C++ under Configuration Properties. Now, as you can see, the field Additional Include Directories. So we want to edit this field and add the paths to our include files. All of the EDT include files for the libpdv project will be in the EDT pdv directory. So we're going to add that path now. If you want to add any additional include directories, just delimit it with a semicolon. And we are done. Okay, now that we've added the paths to our include files, we can test to see if we set up everything correctly by doing a build. So we'll go up to the Build menu and select Build My EDT Project. Now we can check that our output is correct in the output window, and we can see here that our build has succeeded. Well, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and good luck building your applications with the EDT library. Remember, you can always get support by emailing tech@edt.com if you have any further questions or problems. Thanks a lot, and happy coding.